And we're gonna have to find it. There's another gamer.
Oh.
That's,
I've never
how is
vlogged
this
of it.
gonna work? It's not gonna work, bro.
Nah, it's
I'm gonna
working.
have to stand so far back.
It's working. I mean, I think the audio quality is going to be terrible because I haven't got a mic. It will work. Actually, this is probably a really good way of vlogging a bird show.
I can't hold this. Christy. Hara. I haven't got any bloody room in my pockets. Or do I?
Oh!
We have a little bit of time, I think.
Bloody hell. This looks insane on video, actually. Capture a wild Harvey in his habitat.
Who's this guy? Striated caracara. Dude, see how close up you can get this guy? Because he's like hiding right at the back in the shadows.
Oh yeah, he is. Oh, I'm not even.
Your lens must be able to get him, right?
Yeah, I've got him. He's there. There he is. Oh!
Woo! Thing's beautiful. Gotta keep tabs on the time. 7 minutes, right? We should start walking around because there's like there's literally like cool bears there, and you're like, oh, Sean Harvey.
Yeah, literally.
Dude, this is America in the flesh.
There he is.
America, fuck yeah! Something, be about being brave. America, fuck yeah! Home of American people.
Home of the Chungus.
Home of Ronald. I'm pretty sure this is where we need to be.
Damn.
Fuck, it's cold.
You really that cold?
Yes, I'm cold. I'm bloody glad I bought my gloves. I'd be screwed without them. Right, so this is like the test phase.
Of us members of staff, so we like to let him out about 5 minutes earlier, just so he can go and do what he wants to do. And it's a perfect afternoon for this species. So what we're looking at is a turkey vulture. So it's a species of vulture that you can find widespread across the just beautiful. But hopefully you all enjoyed that. A massive thank you to Graham and a massive thank you to Burlock, everybody, our turkey vulture. Quite a lovely start to the show. And that was her flying down. Hopefully you all enjoyed that. Thanks, Mark. That was perfect this afternoon. Shells that we've laid out here, up to. So not necessarily coconut shells, but bits of leaf litter, dried, and they will eat it. So they're also really, really intelligent. That's one thing that separates them from the rest of their family group.
He's realised the error of his ways. He's no longer vegan.
No longer vegan because.
Pescatarian now.
Oh, chose the right move. The gamer. The absolute gent.
Is known only as the gamer. The #1 most wanted man in the world.
Sitting in a cage.